What's going on, people? This is how you quickly download your Experian report, especially if you're going to pull it from the computer. It's real simple. It's real easy. You just log in. All right, so really quickly, you just log in. Don't even have to do too much. Scroll down, skip past this. No, keep my current membership. Top left-hand corner, go to credit reports. Click that. Once you're on the actual credit reporting page, simply just scroll down and click print your report. And what you want to do at this point, while the generating report is going to load momentarily, 1 second. The full report is going to pull up. You're going to do what you're going to do is you want to print, click print. And then instead of printing, you're going to save it as a PDF. All right, and that's pretty much it. Once you save it as a PDF, you can send it to me. We can actually help you go get funding. We're going to use your Experian point to get a general basis of how we're going to actually do the funding. But that's pretty much it. If you need funding, hit me down below in the comments. We can get you anywhere from like 50 to about 450,000, depending on your qualifications. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
If you want us to implement our 3-phase system where we restore, construct, and leveragify to get funding from the bank, use that funding to create new monthly recurring revenue. And if we can't get it done, we'll simply give you your money back and you get to keep everything that we build. Comment the word investor and I'm going to send you a complete training showing you how we can be an absolute game changer for you.